Hey y'all, have you ever had bananas sitting on your counter going bad? I have just the recipe for you, banana chocolate chip muffins. Join me. As always, we'll start with our ingredients. 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of mashed bananas, which I'm using about 4 medium, 1 large egg, room temperature, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a bag of chocolate chips. We'll start the process by putting our flour in a bowl so that we can combine all of our dry ingredients. Instead of sifting, I'm just going to whisk it to get all of the lumps out and get it all combined. Now it's time to mash my bananas. I'm simply taking a fork to this. I don't need any fancy equipment for this job. Okay, so to get my bowl of wet ingredients, I will combine my banana, my sugar, my oil, my egg, and my flavorings and mix it well. Now in my big measuring cup, I'm going to put my chocolate chips and put a little bit of the flour mixture on it to coat the chocolate chips so that the chocolate chips will not sink to the bottom of my muffins. So I put less than 1/8 of a cup in there just to coat my chocolate chips. And I'm going to set that aside until later on. Now I'm going to simply pour my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients and mix well. That's all it takes to make a muffin. Get your dry ingredients in a bowl, wet ingredients in a bowl, and combine the two. I'm going to mix this just until the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients are combined. I don't want to overmix this because I don't want tough muffins. Now it's time to load up my muffin tin. You want to fill your muffin tin up just about to the top. Now it's going to go into a 375-degree oven for about 18 minutes. I wish you could smell and hear. It smells divine. Now it's time for me to pour myself a cup of coffee. I like French press, and eat one of these fabulous muffins. Y'all know this is my favorite mug, don't you? Okay, our taste tester is here.
Okay, I'm gonna try this banana muffin. Here's what it looks like. Ooh. It looks very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. Look at it inside.
Nice and flaky and delicious. Is it
It's
moist?
so smooth and moist. Oh, it is so good.
Good. I'm glad you like it.
Mm.
So tell everybody be blessed.
Bye guys, be blessed.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this recipe, give it a try. Let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.